Bro, what? Right after when I was done railfanning for 18 and 80, look. Now the weather just got all this. All dark. There's blue sky up there. Look at that. I'm glad I did not look for 20. I only saw it from the window. Look at that. They're darker than I thought. Even a plane is coming. Look at that, like, it just keeps on getting dark. It was all sunny when I saw 18 and 80. All worse now, like, I don't understand. We just had heavy rain this morning. And, nah, seriously? Just had to get all this. After that afternoon, all good and that, now this. Do you guys like this? Do you guys like what it looks like? Let me know in the comments. Still, I still see this. It's still like that. At least there's no rain. I'm just still gonna record. Yeah, I'm outside for. Ooh! They're darker than I thought. I wonder, like, it kind of looks like it's gonna rain, but no, it's not. Like, it's just light over there. I'm so glad I went for 18 and 80 and it was all good, but now look at that. All dark, at least no rain. Cannonball, I am trying to do Massapequa Park. This is, yeah. I don't even like this at all. It's blue sky over there, though. Yeah, that's what. Yeah, the blue sky over there. Yeah, that's where I still. Never mind. All right, that's where I saw 18 and 80. All these buckets is annoying. Imagine it would just rain randomly without showing on the weather. That actually happened to me once. When I saw Engine to Wellwood, from Spionk to Wellwood. Yeah, I went biking back and it was a little rainy without showing. That could happen sometimes. I wonder when 6005 or 6095 will have the cannonball drum heads. Cause it only happened like only one of the weekend. About to go. Bye bye. And let me know in the comments for this if you like it or not.